National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Walnut to Princeton to near Bureau Junction to near Sparland, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Ottawa, Streator, Peru, LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Marseilles, Amboy, Sheridan, Shabona, Lake Holiday, Oglesby, Seneca, Hinckley, Somonauk, Earlville, Waterman, North Utica, Maple Park, Serena, Wayona, Leland, Paw Paw, and Tonica. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central and northeastern Illinois. A tornado warning